Hey class, Mr. Mao here. I'm going to show you how I would draw this T-piece here. So I'm going to start with just a real narrow line. These are called construction lines. So I'm going to do this. This is just my width distance here. So I'm going to use that line to count off squares. So this is 6 squares wide. So I'm going to, let's go back to black here. So let's say that this is my starting point here. So I'm just going to do like the thinnest little line, and we'll even do them in gray so they don't really show up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to count off 6 there. And then I can come back with a darker line, and you'll notice that when I'm all done, you'll hardly see these lines that I've used to make this. So this is where I ended. I'm going to follow that over to here. Oops, let's try that a little bit straighter. Okay, so now the height of this is 4, so I know that each of these must be 2. So I'm going to go up 2. Now these are height lines, so these are straight up and down. And then from here, it's just going to be, I'm going to go over, and then up, and then over, and then down. I'm going to draw this T shape here, get the whole front face of it done. So it's over 2, up 2. Oh, that line, I don't like how that turned out. And we're not grading for artistic skill here, so don't worry if your lines are off a little bit, like this one here is a little crooked. Okay, so from there I got the shape, and my depth is 2, so you can see it's 2 here. So all these lines, I'm going to do all these depth lines next. So I'm just going to go back 2. And you see, if when I'm done, I'm just holding my finger in place for a while, and I get those straight lines. So everything's going back to, it's going to look a little weird here where it meets. And now it's just a quick game of connect the dots to go through and get the rest of this done. Okay, and there you go. That's how you do it, step by step, just counting. It's always good to just find a spot and then count from here to there. You know, how far are you moving? Don't be afraid to mark off lines. Like now that this is all done, I hardly see these little lines down here that I did to count. And it's totally okay to show that stuff. That's called construction lines, and a lot of times in drawings for this class, you'll leave that stuff to show how you got to where you are. So good luck. Hopefully this is helpful.